This video will introduce you to the basics of scheduling with shared resources like GoToMeeting or Meeting Rooms. I'm here in Chrome, and the first thing I want to do is look at my identity, which is the icon in the upper right. And it's, as I mouse over it, it says Partners Paul, and I can click it down to see the various identities I have: my personal identity, my admin identity, and a tester identity. And so this is definitely the one that I want to be in. So this is not my personal identity. An easy way to get to Google Calendar is either from the Google home screen to use Apps and to select Google Calendar, or from inside any other app, like for example Google Drive. There will be a familiar application grid at the top that I can pop open, and it will also contain a link to the calendar. Alright, so let's say I wanted to have a meeting Friday from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. using GoToMeeting. So I'd first make sure that I'm on my calendar, which I am, and then I would just pick that spot and drag it open from 10 to 11. Meeting with Jamie Lee, final training materials. And then before I create the event, I want to edit it. And on the right side, I can say, first I want to invite Jamie to the meeting. And then I want to go to Rooms, and I want to pick one of the GoToMeetings and add it to our meeting. Now I'm still going to need to go and launch the GoToMeeting software using account number 5 and schedule the meeting, but at least I will have reserved the resource. I can look over these details on the left. I can add a description, and I can decide how I'm going to get reminders if I want reminders. Let's say I'm too cool for reminders and I'm going to be busy and I want this to be private. And then when that all looks right to me, I can hit save. When you want to send invitations, you may want to send invitations or you may not. And then it will create my appointment on the calendar. And up here you can see, as I mouse over it, it's showing me that it's private and it has guests. And if I open it back up, it says, it's yourself, Jamie Kidd, and you'll be using GoToMeeting account 5. Alright, that's all there is to it. If you want to check and make sure that that's really working, if I try to schedule another appointment at that time, and I go to Rooms, etc., I can see the GoToMeeting 5 is not available. So that resource is busy during that time. I hope that helps.